Hello, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's videos guys is nagtanggal tayo ng stator motor which is 1 HP. So itong motor na to ay overheat. So nag-overheat siya guys. So tingnan nyo. Yung banding niya nagmelting na sa sobrang init. Yan po yung mga varnish niya. So yan po. Ibig sabihin isa lang dahilan, mechanical problem. Yan po kasi pag successive heat can cause of damage of your electric motor. So yan po guys. So yan po, thank you and God bless all.